Cam indexer's small size, high-efficiency application range is relatively wide. Widely used in pharmaceutical machinery industry, press automatic feeding institutions, food packaging machinery industry, glass ceramic machinery industry, tobacco machinery, filling and printing machinery, electronic processing machinery industry, such as the cloud to the continuous operation of the working state into intermittent operation of the action of a variety of automated machinery. The following is the use of CAM indexer nodes that we have organized for you. 1. Adjustment equipment in the installation of the body before. Do not arbitrarily adjust other parts. 2. Disassembly equipment before the installation of the body. Never disassemble other parts. 3. Assembly equipment in the installation of the body before. Never assemble other parts. 4. Damage equipment in the installation of the body before. First of all, we have to check the installation surface of the intermittent indexer has not been damaged and destroyed. 5. Location equipment before the installation of the body. We have to correctly find the location of the input shaft, the output shaft, the correct installation.